And ladies and gentlemen, a very pleasant good afternoon. Good morning to you from the flight deck. This is the captain. Do wish to welcome you on board our Flight 84 service for Tampa. I'd like to get you underway as quickly and as safely as possible. There are no airborne delays anticipated for our flight today. Folks, if there's anything we can do from the flight deck to make this flight any more enjoyable or comfortable, please don't hesitate to let someone know. Total travel time to Tampa today is 1 hour and 20 minutes with a cruising altitude of 16,000 feet. Be happy to give an arrival update as we do get closer to our destination. Again, welcome aboard. We'll have you underway here momentarily.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. On behalf of Silver Airways, we welcome you on board the Flight 84 to Tampa.
Federal regulations require that personal items be stowed prior to closing the aircraft door. Items must be placed completely underneath the seat in front of you or in the overhead compartment. If you are seated in the first row, all personal items must be stowed in the overhead compartments. Please let us know if you need assistance. For those guests seated in an exit seat in row 1, please review the safety briefing card located in the seat pocket in front of you. Contact us for reseating if you do not meet the requirements, do not wish to, or cannot